Morning everyone, I am AGM. Always good morning. Today we will study electricity and circuit, and we will make short videos so that we can learn very easily and quickly. So now we are going to conductors. What are conductors? Conductors are the one which have free electrons. So those electrons will conduct electricity. So the conductor is defined as the materials which allow the electricity to pass through them is called conductor. Insulators are the one which do not allow electricity to pass through them. Examples for conductors: copper, lead, gold, silver, and etc. Insulators which do not conduct electricity are wood, plastic, glass, etc. एचएम द्वारा जनहित में जारी नमस्कार. Sixth class, electricity and its circuits. So now we will see symbols of electric circuit. Wire, that is a conductor. This is what cell. This is a battery. And bulb off condition, bulb on condition, switch off and switch on. These are the symbols of electric circuit we will use to draw the electric circuit. If you like this, please subscribe and share. Namaskar. Now cell. Cell is a device which converts C for chemical energy, E for electrical energy. Cell is a device which is used to convert chemical energy into electrical energy, and electricity flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. So more than one cell is called a battery. How to do arrangement of the battery? Always we will connect negative to positive and positive to negative. These are the connection. The current flows through positive terminal to negative terminal. More than one cell is called as battery. Always we will connect positive terminal to negative terminal and negative terminal to positive terminal. The series of cells are called as a battery. Namaskar. Morning everyone, I am AGM. Today we will study about bulb 6th standard. So when you hold a bulb in your hand, we will see the outer cover as glass. Inside that there is a argon gas and filament. That filament is made up of tungsten and upper metal clays and lower metal base. These are the terminals. This is called a bulb. How the bulb works actually? When electricity flows from here to terminals, the bulb will receive electricity and this filament get heated. That heat energy is converted into light energy. So if you got this information about bulb, please like and subscribe. Namaskar. Sixth class, electricity and circuits. So we will study about switch. Switch is a device which can open the circuit and close the circuit. When the circuit is switch on, means it is in closed circuit, then the electricity will flow. This is open circuit, the bulb is not glowing. Here this is a closed circuit, the bulb is glowing. Okay, the switch is a function that will do that whenever there is a requirement of any electrical device, we will switch on and we will switch off as per the requirement. Namaskar. Good morning everyone, I am AGM. Today we will learn 6th class electricity and circuits. So we will go for open circuit and closed circuit. So this is what the open circuit. Open circuit contains a battery. This is a conductor. This is a switch off condition. This is a bulb. So here the electric circuit is open. So there is no electricity is flowing. Hence this is a switch off position, open circuit. Now we'll come to closed circuit. When switch is on, electricity flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. The bulb glows. So these are the two circuits. One is switch off condition, another is switch on condition. So switch is used to switch on and switch off as per the requirement. Thank you. If you like this, please subscribe. So 6th class, electricity and its circuits. So these are the connections. Here the switches are used to switch on and switch off the electrical devices as per the requirement. If you are not using any switches, then the batteries will be dry up and stops working. That's why switches are very important in electric circuits. If you like this, please subscribe and like. Thank you. I am AGM. Today we will see the circuit connections of 6 class electric circuits. Okay, this is a cell. So this is a cell, this is a cell, these are the bulbs. The first condition, positive terminal connected to one case, another terminal is connected to another metal base of the bulb. So here bulb glows, here also bulb glows. Here the terminals are maybe anything, but these two terminals are connected to positive and negative terminal. That's why the bulb is glowing. Only these two cases the bulb will glow. Here the connection is not proper. Here the connection is also not proper. Here two wires are connected to single terminal. Here also the bulb is connected to single terminal. That's why in these conditions the bulb is not glowing. If you like this, please subscribe and share. Namaskar. Good morning everyone, I am AGM, always good morning. Today we are going to study the working of torch. So how torch works? First thing, this is a bulb which contains filament. These are the two cells connected, forms a battery. Positive terminal is connected to negative terminal of the other cell, and this is a conductor from negative terminal, and the bulb is directly connected to positive terminal. This negative terminal of the cell is connected to the upper terminal of the bulb. Here two terminals of the bulb is connected to both the ends. One is negative terminal as upper case and positive terminal to lower case of the bulb. Okay, how it works? When switch is on, the electricity from these cells or a battery, the chemical energies get converted into electrical energy. The current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. When it reaches to the bulb, from two terminals the electricity will flow. Then it reaches to the filament. The filaments get heated. This heat energy is converted into light energy. This is the reflector. It will enhance the light. We will get more brighter light. This is the working of a torch. So if you like this, please subscribe and share. Namaskar. Good morning everyone, I am AGM, 6th standard electricity and its circuits. So this is a hand gloves which are made up of rubber, and this is a tester which is used by wireman or electricity person. Tester handle is made up of plastic, gloves are made up of rubber. So almost all which are handles of electricity which are made up of insulators. Why they made up of insulators? Insulators do not conduct electricity. That's why we can avoid the short circuit. Okay, to avoid the short circuits we are using insulators for handling the electricity. Okay, if you like this, please subscribe and share. Namaskar. Good morning everyone, I am AGM, always good morning. Today we will learn 6th class fuse. Fuse is made up of a lead and tin, or lead or iron. When high electricity flows from the pole to our house, we will connect fuse in between. So the fuse is made up of lead and tin. We can tell Lati wala baba, L for lead, T for tin. The fuse is made up of lead and tin. When the current flows more than the requirement, the fuse contains lead and tin which get melted due to heat. So due to this, the circuit breaking takes place. Then our house will be safe. All the electrical devices also safe. That's why we will use fuse. AGM द्वारा जनहित में जारी. नमस्कार. Please subscribe and share.